ABC is a triangle. A is the side, that is BC, which is opposite to the vertical angle A, and CD is the radius of the circle. Now we need to find, using the trigonometric function A as angle. Now see, BC is the common side for both the triangles DBC and ABC. We are using the principle of the angles in the same segment are said to be as equal. Here the segment is just above the chord BC. Okay now, so this angle is equal. Therefore we are using the sine function. Therefore what is the angle form here? This is also the same angle. Therefore sine A is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is BC by CD. Therefore sine A is equals to BC is nothing but small a and CD is nothing but the diameter. Therefore I can write as sine A is equals to A by 2 times of the radius. Now similarly, what I will make here, I will make 2r is constant, that is equals to A by sine A, because in the why we are making this 2r is equals to A by sine A, we will come to conclusion in the next problems. So come to the point of the next one. Now come to the triangle ACD and ACB. Again AC is the chord. So here you are having this triangle with equal angles, that is B and B here. Therefore I will make here sine B is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. Sine B is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is AC by CD. Sine B is equals to AC is nothing but B and CD is nothing but 2R. Again I will make 2R is equals to B by sine B. See the triangles here. The brown color triangle followed by the blue color triangle here. Okay now. Now come to the next section. Here you are making this angle and this angle here. The segment is nothing but AB is the segment, that is nothing but the chord. AB is the chord. So ABD is a triangle, ABC is a triangle. This angle is equal. Therefore sine C is equals to opposite side, that is AB by the hypotenuse, that is BD. Therefore sine C is equals to, what is AB value here? Small c, by what is BD value? That is nothing but the diameter of the circle. Therefore I will write as 2r. Now 2r is equals to small c by sine C. Now you came to conclusion that why I made all the things to be 2r. 2r is equals to A by sine A, 2r is equals to B by sine B, and 2r is equals to C by sine C. Therefore the total ratio is equals to the constant 2r. 2r is equals to A by sine A, that is equals to B by sine B, that is equals to C by sine C. Is it clear? The ratios will be equal. That makes us to understand the problem very clearly. Thank you.